Even the strongest among us can sometimes use a helping hand. For one great-grandmother, help has come in an overwhelming gift.
News 4's Forrest Sanders has a story of three great women, a great-grandmother, an auto shop owner, I should say, and someone you just know as Rosie.
Someone's always watching over Dr. Boltz Automotive Clinic in Murfreesboro. That's her, right back there. The one with the arm flexed.
Rosie the Riveter, she was a woman of strength. Thank you for choosing Dr. Boltz.
Shop owner Danielle Sapienza loves that iconic old picture.
These are my Rosie socks.
And what Rosies came to mean for women long ago.
By the end of 1943, 1 out of every 3 women will be at work.
She was a woman of strength in World War II. The history of it is all the women had to go and work while the men went to war.
How do you like it?
I love it.
What are you doing with your money? Save it.
The fact I'm female, doing a job that most men wouldn't think that I could do. I've overcome a lot, and Rosie the Riveter has definitely been the inspiration for it all.
So what makes someone a Rosie now?
Being a girl and just kicking butt.
And Danielle says tough can come in many forms.
You're a goofy little boy.
Anyway, I'm gonna go charge my beats. What are your beats? Earbuds.
They already charged, Caden. Here you go, baby. You want to go outside and eat, or you want to eat in here?
Lily Patterson's whole world is right here on the fridge. Their names are Connor, Caden, and Cole.
This is my little bit. This is my little man. And that's my little girl. They're my great-grandkids. And I wouldn't trade them for nothing. We played Uno last night. I won both times.
I let her win.
No.
Yeah, you did.
Lily never guessed she'd be raising children again. Never guessed she'd one day know so much about professional wrestling.
How y'all doing out there? I'm the phenomenal AJ Styles.
Oh, you are not.
Yes, I am.
That is what I have to contend with. When they get to doing that flossing.
But she opened her door to the three after the loss of their mother, Ashley, Lily's granddaughter.
She had heart murmur, and she didn't tell any of us about it. She just went to bed one night, and she just didn't get up the next day. Yeah, I'm 76. The devil, he can take me down. He puts me down every day. But when I see those kids and their faces, I hope and pray that I'm doing a good job with them.
Taking her car to the shop, Lily met a new friend, Danielle.
Lily's vehicle is in poor shape. She's got mold inside of her engine. Her windows don't stay up. She tapes them.
All problems made worse by a rainy day like this.
And meanwhile, she's got these kids and she needs a vehicle now.
So knowing Lily, knowing her story,
I think she is like a Rosie.
Danielle decided today there's something she can do about Lily's car.
I got you another one.
No, you didn't.
Yes, ma'am.
No.
Yes, ma'am. There's no obligation on my part.
Oh, no.
I love you.
With the help of her community and a GoFundMe page, Danielle's collected money to buy this car for Lily.
I don't even deserve a friend like you.
And for her great-grandchildren.
Oh, Lord.
Yes, ma'am. She is stronger than she thinks she is, just like the real Rosie the Riveter. She's just doing what she has to do.
She saw, I guess, a need in me that I needed a friend, and she took me on. And I love her for it. Yeah.
Rosie's for life.
Yes, we're going to fight forever.
That's right.
I'll never give up.
Nope.
In Murfreesboro, I'm Forrest Sanders, News 4.
Forrest Sanders joining us now at the desk. How did you hear about that? That is beautiful.
A friend of a friend told me about them, and of course we love Danielle and Lily, though we do want to mention that car isn't totally paid off just yet, so there is a GoFundMe page. I'm putting it with this story. If you want to help out Lily a little bit, then there's a way that you can do it too.
Thank you. And if someone wants to be ultra generous, what's the total what's the total amount needed at this moment?
I don't know.
Okay.
I'm going to have to look at the page again before
I guess
can
we should all do that. Forrest Sanders, thank you so
Great
much
to-
for sharing that story.